Hi friends, here is a question on t-test. Let's read the question. Based on feed experiments, a new variety green gram is expected to given a yield of 12.0 quintals per hectare. The variety was tested on 10 randomly selected farmer fields. The yield quintals per hectare were recorded as this 14.3. These are the records from the 10 fields. Do the results confirm the expectation? Yeah, so we have a null hypothesis, mu is equal to 12.0. The alternate hypothesis is H1 mu is not equal to 12.0. We are going to do all the calculation that they have done here using Excel sheet. Okay, so I will show you how we can do. I had practiced here. So I'll just delete this and do it for the sake of this video. So I have this data from the 10 fields. I have created a dummy data as a second sample. The reason is Excel does not calculate for one sample. So we will fool it by giving a dummy content. Now I'll go to data and then I'll go to data analysis and I will select here t-test two sample assuming unequal variances. Okay, and I'll click OK. I will give the variable one range. I'll select this and then click here again. I'll give the variable two range. This is my dummy content. I'll give this 0, 0 values. And in the hypothesized mean difference, I'm going to write 12. Alpha is 0.05 because it is 5% tolerance. And then I have output range. I can give a cell where I want output data to be. So, and then I'll click OK here. And here is my data. So mean is 12.63, variance is 1.177. Okay, T stat is 1.83564, which is basically if we round off to three decimal places, it will be 1.836. And if I see here how much did they calculate, so T calculation is correct, 1.836, and table value is 2.262. So what is my table value here? It is T critical for two tail because mu can be less than 12.0 and mu can be greater than 12.0. So critical value is 2.262. Now T stat calculated is smaller than T critical table value basically. So we will accept the null hypothesis. So null hypothesis was that mu is equal to 12.0 and alternate hypothesis was mu is not equal to 12.0. So I hope you understood how to get this t-test in one go using Excel sheet. Thank you for watching.